What's happening YouTube, it's your boy Tech Tricks back in another video. And today we're going to show you how to spoof in Pokemon Go. You can teleport anywhere you want and not get shadow banned. So here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you can be notified of next videos to come of tips and tricks on your iPhone and Android and Pokemon Go. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca and hit that like button so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Now let's show you how it's done. So here we go. So today we're looking at the Pokemon Go here on our screen. Basically, we're just gonna play some games here. We're gonna show you how it's done, how I do it, so that you don't get shadow banned. So basically, when you just play Pokemon Go, when you just open it up, you don't want to do anything just yet. What I usually do is I click my little Pokeball thing here, right there, as you see on the screen. And basically, I go to settings and go feeds Pokemon. There you go. Then I go all and I look for the IV100. If you want to know how to download this as well, I'll link this down in the description below. So go ahead and check that out as well. So basically here you can browse around on how many, what Pokemons are, has the 100% IV. Here you can check out whichever Pokemon you want and see if there's anything good. So we browsed around, there's nothing good, so maybe we're not gonna do anything today. We're not gonna spoof there, which is alright. Oh, how about this? Pyroblast. There you go. Pyroblast's alright, but we're just gonna. I already teleported this morning, so I can't really teleport anymore too far. But what you need to do, what you could do instead is go to settings. For example, right now we are trying to complete our Deerling candies. Right now we have, as you see, my Pokemon's here. Let's go recent. I've been hunting a bunch of Deerlings. Here I found one at 80% IV. There you go. And we need a few more. We only have 19 Deerling candies. So what we could do is go to settings, go to feeds and Pokemon, pull down right there and type in the Pokemon that you want to attack. This is the one that we want right now, Deerling. Once you click Deerling, it'll show you all the locations of where the Deerling is. So the thing is here, now we need to find out, what we need to look at is, for example, right here, Deerling, 16 minutes and 0 seconds left. That's the one we kind of want. We don't want to go under 10 minutes. We just want to go with that. And we want to see the kilometers as well, 3.28. So it's pretty close. So we're going to click that and hit teleport. And then as you could see here, we can just go ahead and proceed. There you go. We might want to walk around a little bit here so that the map will load. Wait it out till it's all good to go. There you go. And as you could see down here, there's a Deerling. We're going to get and click that. There you go. Boom. Sketch that. And as you could see, I was able to get it. It says gotcha. So that's good. Let's show you guys as much as I can here without any cuts or anything like that so that you guys can see the full gameplay. There you go. Now that we have already teleported, we can't really teleport too far like I said earlier. So we're going to do the exact same thing, search for Deerling once again. And we're going to see what's the closest Deerling around our area. So right here it says that there's one at 770 meters away. See that at 19 minutes. We can go ahead and teleport there. And then here it'll show you the cooldown on how long approximately you have to wait. So we just wait for a minute. There you go. So now we were able to teleport in that area. What we need to do is just walk around like I said earlier. If you see a Deerling, don't hit it right away. what you need to do is test out if you're shadow banned or not. Oh, you went away. Let's go up this way. I think it is here because it's showing on our map right there. So what you need to do to test it is either hit one of the Pokemons like that and try to catch it. If it says gotcha, that means you are not shadow banned. Now you can go ahead and catch the Deerling or the whatever Pokemon you want to catch. There you go. We're gonna go and hit the Deerling now and show you that it is not. We'll be able to catch it and not get shadow banned. There you go. Able to catch it. So now, for example, there's Pokemons that. So there's different Pokemons that you want to catch. You can browse around which Pokemons are around you. So this is pretty much the whole gameplay, so that you can you won't get shadow banned. Here you could I show you the different seasons right there, 1, 2, 3 until 5. We're at 5 right now. We're just browsing at Pokemon here, whatever is the closest to us. I've been trying to catch Deerling, like I said, but like you can go to Solosis, for example, and it'll show you all the Pokemons near you. The closest to us is 8,000 kilometers, so we won't be able to do that. We can go Ducklet. Let's see if we can find one right here. It's too far, 174 kilometers away. We don't want to do that. We just want to stick with Deerlings, I guess. That's the closest one we have here. So let's try another one. Right here, 14 minutes. That's pretty good. Let's teleport there. It'll show you the cooldown like earlier. There you go. We're going to walk around again so that it will load. There you go. Deerling came out right there. So what we need to do is test out. You can use the Pokestop like I said earlier. Okay, we were able to grab items from the Pokestop. That means we're not shadow banned. Now we can go ahead and we need to upgrade. So we just have to do one of those transfers so that we can catch our Deerling. There you go. Boom. And that's it for today, guys. That's the gist of it. So if you want to just play around in certain areas, like I said earlier, summary of it is I use the IV to base where I'm gonna play next, or whichever Pokemon I want to attack for the day. That's usually how it goes. If you want to teleport in between, for example, like right now it's around 12 p.m. What we could do is wait 2 hours or so before we can teleport to another area. So you can, I think it'll also tell you how many minutes is needed so that you can teleport in an area. Just for example, just for the just for the fun of it, we'll try to find a Pokemon that is far. Right here, it says that it's 8,000 kilometers away. There, it'll show you the cooldown, 120 minutes. So that's how long you have to wait. They're pretty good actually, like on the minutes here. So whatever it says on there, respect the cooldown, and you won't get shadow banned. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit that notification bell as well so you can be notified of the next videos to come. Make sure to hit the like button so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Like I said, there's merch below, so go ahead and check that out. If you want to know how to install this, I'll link this down below as well. That's it for you guys. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. Peace.